What's up, YouTube? I hope you're all having a great day today. Tomorrow is my tune, and I still have a few things to install. I have the electronic boost control solenoid, the flex fuel sensor, the TGV and EGR delete, and I gotta get it done quick, so let's get to it. Alright, so we took the fuse of the fuel pump off, and we're going to run it till it dies, and we're going to start our work with the flex fuel. Hopefully not too complicated. Alright, so far it's been an hour or so. We got the TGV deletes in, the old ones out. We have the Cobb flex fuel sensor in. Now we just gotta bolt some stuff down, and next up is the EGR delete. So let's keep going. Alright, so we have the Cobb flex fuel module in, all hooked up to the O2 sensor, TGV plug, and the flex fuel sensor. We also have the deletes in, bolted down, both sides. All we got left is EGR delete and the electronic boost control solenoid. Alright, so we're going to start with the EGR deletes, and I already have the top plate installed. Now I'm going to take these hoses out and tie them together, and then put on the bottom plate. Alright, so we finally did it. It was a hassle to take the coolant hose off the EGR module, this guy, but we did it. It took probably 40 minutes to do. Both the plates are on, and now the only thing left is the electronic boost control solenoid. Alright, so we're gonna install the electronic boost control now. I just took out the intake housing, took out the old solenoid, and put in a new one. Let's get to it. So unfortunately my camera died when doing the solenoid install, but I have to do a run for Ron Watson, and that's pretty much it. The big day is tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later.